If you're looking for dog toys cheap, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet lovers' most popular dog toys cheap. Number 1, most popular, by Lay88. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by DigyDog. Number 3, by Doinshop. For more dog toys cheap, just click this circle. Number 4, by Duo. Number 5, by Vicky. Find these dog toys cheap at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Lobeve. Number 7, by HTKJ. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Boss Pet Products. Number 9, by Squeaky. Discover more dog toys cheap ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Alex.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.